Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video you will find how to solve W Windows puzzle designed by Osanori and made by Pelikan. Pelikan is a company that is based in Czech Republic and makes amazing quality wooden puzzles. And this puzzle is made of wood as well. It is made of two different kinds of wood, which makes it look very beautiful. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10, and the object is to fit all three parts inside in such a way that the windows will be closed with parts and then take it apart. Since this puzzle comes in disassembled state, so I will be assembling it and then taking it apart. And as you can see, name of this puzzle stands clearly from the cutouts that you can see in a cube that looks like windows. And it takes 17 steps to solve this puzzle. It takes 2 steps to fit first piece inside, 5 steps to fit second piece inside, and 10 steps to put the third piece inside the cube. If you like W Windows puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So put the puzzle in such a way that the windows will be in the bottom part of the cube. Now grab this small piece and put it inside like this, so that this part will be facing up, and put it right in here. So the next what you have to do is to grab this piece and put it into another windows like this, so that this part will be on the bottom, and you have to put it inside, and then it's supposed to come out from another window like this, and you have to move it all the way to the left so that you will have a little gap right in here. So the next step is to grab the third part, put it inside in such a way. You have to put it inside one step, then up. The next step what you have to do is to grab this part, move it to the right, and now you can put this part that on the top inside, all the way inside. And when you put the cube like this, the small part will fall down. And the next step what you have to do is to take this part on the right, move it one step inside, then grab this part on the left, put it one step up, and that's when you will be able to move the third piece that is in the middle. To do it, you have to tilt the cube towards yourself, maybe shake it a little bit, and the small part will come out from the window. And you will be able to see it on the other side like this. So the next step will be move this part on the right all the way inside, and now grab the part on the left, move it one step to the right and push it inside, and the puzzle is solved. To take it apart, you have to do all the same steps but backwards. First grab the part on the top of the window on the right, push it towards the second window. Now grab the part on the right, move it out a little bit. That's when you can move the piece on the bottom of the left window inside. Now you can grab the part in the left window, put it down, and move this part all the way to the right. Now you have to flip the cube upside down. That's when the third piece is gonna fall down, and you will be able to move it to the left window, and it's gonna stick out from this window. The next step what you have to do is to move this part in the left window to the left, and you will be able to remove the piece on the right. And now we have only two parts left. We have to move the bottom part to the right, like this, and down, and now you will be able to remove it through the second window, and you can remove the third piece as well. So that is the solution of W windows puzzle. As you can see, pretty complicated. It is not easy to find it, but since this puzzle is made by Pelikan and it have amazing quality, every minute you spend solving this puzzle is a pure joy. If you like W windows puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!